In this video, we are going to talk about 7 growing industries of the future, 2022. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Among the most important considerations when deciding on a job is the nature of the fastest growing sectors in your nation and throughout the globe. Pursuing a profession in one of these fields may lead to a high salary, allowing you to live comfortably. Experts are in high demand since the number of people working in the top 7 fastest growing sectors is expected to double by 2022. 7. Banking and finance. The financial sector continues to thrive despite the ups and downs of the global economy. The epidemic necessitated the hiring of financial analysts by a number of companies in order to restructure their budgets and continue operations. Financial and banking literacy have been crucial in allowing firms to persevere through periods of stagnant operations brought on by economic downturn. Due to Singapore's political stability and business-friendly atmosphere, the financial services sector has grown steadily there. Despite the bleak economic climate, the industry as a whole grew by 4.7% on average in 2020. There are approximately 5,200 openings in the financial sector, and it is projected that 96% of them will be for positions requiring proficiency in mathematics, engineering, and technology, PMET, such as risk management, compliance, relationship management, and financial analysis. There are numerous opportunities and exciting changes in the financial sector in 2022, thanks to factors such as the issue of digital banking licenses and a robust property market. 6. Software and technology. As a result, software and IT are now one of the primary drivers of job growth in every sector. Post-pandemic data shows a 25% rise in demand for software engineers. Because there will always be a need for new and improved security measures and applications to keep up with the ever-evolving technological landscape. The majority of modern firms have an online presence that must be guarded and safeguarded. As a consequence, they are taking preventative measures to ensure that their firm is secure from both within and outside influences. The market for cloud computing is expected to reach $760.98 billion by 2027, driving up the need for cybersecurity, which is expected to reach $366.1 billion by 2028. 5. Healthcare. Singapore is well recognized as a vital center for regional medical care. Its hospitals and nursing departments and facilities treat patients from all over the world, including those from neighboring Malaysia, Indonesia, Brunei, the Philippines, and Thailand. Given the scope of the current epidemic, the healthcare sector is seeing explosive growth. Furthermore, the public health sectors and the entire business are likely to grow along with the advent of new community hospitals and polyclinics. 4. Manufacturing. The manufacturing sector accounts for 20.5% to 25% of Singapore's GDP annually. Chemicals, supply chain management, electronics, biomedical research, and transportation design are all important subsectors of the manufacturing sector. Industries like precision engineering and electronics benefited from the sector's 35% growth last year. Despite several rounds of COVID-19, Singapore's industrial sector has been mostly unharmed. Therefore, the electronics and biomedical industries benefited from the 10% annual growth rate in manufacturing seen in Q3 of 2020. 3. Artificial intelligence. Due in part to companies having to lay off workers as a result of the pandemic, the artificial intelligence industry is one of the fastest expanding nowadays. Therefore, businesses had to devise strategies to continue operating with fewer workers. Artificial intelligence, AI, is one of the technologies that will shape the future of various sectors thanks to advances in computers. This is why both public and corporate sectors are pouring resources into developing cutting-edge AI systems. One of the nations that has embraced the trend as part of its digital transformation plan is Singapore. When the government invests in technology to promote the use of AI, the private sector often follows suit. For instance, Singapore's government worked with Microsoft to develop chatbots to improve the country's customer service. 2. Data science and analytics. Businesses are increasingly focusing on data, making data science and analytics hot commodities in the modern employment market. IBM estimated that by 2020, approximately 700,000 data developers, scientists, and engineers will need to be hired each year to meet demand. In addition, there is a growing requirement to analyze and manage the massive amounts of digital data that are consumed and digested every day in the form of emails, subscriptions, and Google searches. Those versed in linear algebra, computer languages, mathematics, statistics, and neural network architecture and design have a leg up on the competition for jobs in this expanding field of data science. 1. Digital and Internet marketing. Online shopping is becoming more popular among consumers. It's a far more secure option to making purchases in person. Therefore, websites and businesses require a helping hand to guarantee that revenues are driven by web-based activities. In addition, digital and internet marketing will transition into a profession that is more technology-based, and being able to manage and comprehend big data will continue to be essential. In addition, being digitalized is the only way to stay relevant in the ever-changing environment of online marketing, which is why social and digital marketing channels need to be combined. As a consequence of this, there will be an increased need for experts in data-oriented designs, digital marketing strategy, as well as data collecting and analytics. If you have experience in digital marketing, you may be qualified to take advantage of possibilities in the service sector, which is projected to have a 33% rise in the number of jobs available as a result of the pandemic. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.